Okay guys, so we continue with our videos and our lectures on experimental psychology side 221, and I'm still requesting for those of you that have not subscribed, please. I don't think subscription is it doesn't take your data, right? So please subscribe and like and share with your friends. Now I'll continue where we stopped. Like we know, we have discussed title and author, abstract, introduction, method. Now we're in the results section. In results section is simply where you give us the statistics and the summary of your statistics, not even the workings. You tabulate your results, looking at what the females scored, what the males scored, what the first group scored, what the second condition scored. You're right, like that. That is your results section. Then after that, you give us a summary. There is another subhead under that results section that you try to tell us. You just name a summary of findings, right? Since you have tabulated all your findings via gender, via other variables, maybe via age, okay, and then you try to also, depending on your variables or your research or your experiment, and also via their performances, the groups, like in this experiment now we have group A, group B, condition A, that is the people that took sad movie and the other one happy movie. So you give us their results, summary of those results. So we don't want to see where you were cancelling and doing divided by this one divided by no. The results is what you tabulate. Then after that, you may have more than two tables. Like you heard the table I gave, now I have gender table, I have age table, I can also have this conditions table, which is the most important, right? Then after that, I will now give us the summary, a small subheading, summary of findings. So that one I can write just one sad movie positively related to academic performance among, right? Showing that people who are sad, no, negatively, let me not waste our time on that one, but it's negative correlation. If you remember what we talked about in correlation, negative, that means increase in anger. Let me use that word. I'm just using this as an example. Will lead to decrease in academic performance because they were scoring 1/10, 0/10, 2/10, right? So such that increase in this led to decrease in that's negative correlation, right? 2, sad and happy movie positively related to academic performance in such that increase in happiness or happy state leads to, right, that is increase in academic performance among university students. So, and then gender positively blah 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 blah, so that girls did this while boys did not do that. I'm just giving for examples in my work. So but this is just a summary you got from what you tabulated, right? I think this is very clear in this regards. So we have the next one, the next subheading we are going to be discussing. Yes, but I would want to have a full video on that particular one, so we will understand that this has a shortcut. We call it Time Mr. Dikra. Time Mr. Dikra. Title and author is the T. That is Time Mr. Dikra. TAIMRDCAR. So title and author, abstract, introduction, method, result, discussion, conclusion, reference, and appendix. T for title and author, A for abstract, I for introduction, M for method, R for results, D for discussion, C for conclusion, R for references, and A for appendix. So we just did the results section, and we have also considered others. So in our next podcast video, we'll continue with the discussion section or segment. So I wouldn't have to include it in the results section. So see you on the other side to another video. Thank you very much.